To show live transcribe icon on the app screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Under display section, tap the gray on offset next to show icon in the app list until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will show live transcribe icon on the app screen, so you can use it as an alternative way to open the live transcribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.